Hello children, this is your Aishwarya ma'am. Welcome to social science class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in geography, globes, latitudes and longitudes. Children, you have already learned that our planet Earth is not a sphere. It is slightly flattened at the north and the south poles and bulge in the middle. A globe is a true model of Earth. Globe may varying in size and types, big one and small pocket globes. The globe is not fixed. It can be rotated. On the globe, the countries, continents, oceans are shown in the correct size. But it is very difficult to describe the location. So we need certain points of reference to find out the location of places. You might have noticed a needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called its axis. The 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are the 2 poles, North Pole and South Pole. The globe can be moved around this needle from west to east direction, just as the earth moves. The real earth has no such needle. It moves around its axis with an imaginary line that divides the earth into 2 equal parts is called as equator. The northern half of the earth is known as northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as southern hemisphere. They are both equal halves. Therefore, the equator is an imaginary circular line and is very important reference point to locate the places on the earth. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called as parallels of latitudes. The equator represents the 0-degree latitude. The distance from the equator to the either of the poles is 1/4 of a circle round the earth. It will measure 1/4 of 360 degree, that is 90 degree north. Thus, 90 degree north latitude marks the North Pole and 90 degree south latitudes marks the South Pole. All parallels north of the equator are called as north latitudes. Similarly, all parallels south of the equator are called as south latitudes. The value of each latitude is therefore followed by either the word north or south. Generally, this indicated by the letter N or S. The equator represents the 0-degree latitudes as you can see in the picture. The latitudes or the parallels in the northern hemisphere are marked as 20 degree north, 40 degree north, 60 degree north, 80 degree north and so on. And the latitudes or parallels below the equator, that is the southern hemisphere, are marked as 20 degree south, 40 degree south, 60 degree south and so on.